Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a classic tween. Now a classic tween is used just to get shapes moving across the scene. Okay, so we'll start with something simple. I'm just going to I'll just make that black. There we go. We're going to make a square, and I'm going to make this square move across the screen. So there you go, there's my square. Now the first bit of this, which is very important, is to make this a symbol. So if I go to the selection tool there, drag out a box all the way around, it will highlight the whole object. I can then right click on it and go to convert to symbol. It will ask me a name for the symbol, and OK. Now that's my symbol created. If we go to the library, we should be able to see it there. There it is. Right. The next step then is moving down to the timeline. At the moment, if I look down at the bottom down here, that says 24 FPS. That's 24 frames a second. So if I move along the timeline and I click in 24 frames, that will take a second to get there. And I'm going to put a keyframe in. To put a keyframe in, I press the F6 button, and there you go, there's my keyframe. Now where I want this square to be in this frame is across here. And then I have to go and right click on there, create classic tween. If I then move the little slider on to see what's going to happen, you can see it will move across the screen. And to test that movie, I can press Ctrl and Enter, and you can see the square moving. Okay. If I want it to move a bit more slowly, I would take more time on the timeline. There you go, so I'm going to click in 70, F6 it, move it over there, and then same as before, click in between, right click in between, and create classic tween. Now that should move quickly for the first bit and more slowly for the second. There you go.